G'day guys, here's a scenario for you. You've got your truck loaded up, could be your dual cab D-Max, could be a 200 series Land Cruiser, could be a 79. You've got a big trailer on the back, you're bogged in the middle of nowhere. Now if you know winches and you know recovery, you know that if you had a snatch block, then you could do that recovery by doubling the capacity of your winch. The thing is, these days, that is what's called a snatch block. It's heavy, it's cumbersome, it requires grease on it, all sorts of things. It goes rusty even. Well, what I've got with me is a new product here from Camp Boss 4x4, and I call it the Boss Ring. Now you're looking at me like, how the hell is that thing gonna do the job of a snatch block? Well, I'll show you. You put your rope through there, it connects back to your truck. This end goes to the connection point, whether it be a tree, another vehicle, a stump, or even a sand anchor, depending on where you get yourself bogged. That connects to there, it doubles the capacity of your winch instantly. So why take this, which weighs as much as a carton of Coke, when you can take something that weighs half a can of Coke? And this would have to be a huge step forward when it comes to recovery gear and keeping things as strong and as lightweight as possible.